How can you use an Elgato Stream Deck with the TikTok Live Studio? So here we have TikTok Live Studio. This is their OBS. With this application, you can stream directly to TikTok. But we also have a Stream Deck right here, and we want to switch scenes and stuff like that. And we want to mute our mic and everything like that inside this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on here. This is adding plugins. So we're going to type TikTok in here, and we're going to install the TikTok Live Studio. Install. We're going to give it a moment. And now we can click out of this again. And now if we go down here, we see TikTok Live Studio has been added. If you don't see this, click on here and tick it back on because it might be hidden. Here we can see we can switch scenes with it. So we can switch scenes with these buttons. And we can set up which one we want. Right now we only have 2 scenes. We can delete them again. And then basically you can switch between general and blank for now. If you have more scenes, you can switch between those two. Here we have hide source. So for example, we can hide the camera or we can hide the gameplay. We can end and start the live stream. We can mute and unmute any audio source. For example, gameplay sound that you don't want to hear when you're talking. Same for the microphone. Unmute it. And you can start recording in here as well. So you got a record button here, and you can automatically do that with your Stream Deck by pressing a button. And that is if you drag this in. Now we can start and stop recording with it. We can also pause and continue the live with it. And we can create highlights with the button as well. So we only have to drag these in and they work. So we can click on these now on the Stream Deck. That's how simple it is to use the Stream Deck with the TikTok Live software. But if you don't know how the TikTok Live Studio works or how you even stream on TikTok via the PC, I definitely recommend watching this video first because I explain so much about this program and how you can use it in there. So I'll see you there.